How to turn off subtitles or closed captions on Hulu. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can turn on or off subtitles, also known as closed captions, on Hulu streaming platform. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can enable closed captions or subtitles within Hulu for most shows and movies, but adjusting them varies depending on the show you've chosen. While English and Spanish are available for many programs, not every show has Spanish. For example, the device you are watching a title on can also impact the captions you have available. And unlike some other streaming apps, you'll have to enable captions on each device you're streaming Hulu shows and movies on. Enabling captions on one device will not allow them to use on phone, computer, or smart TV because you have to do so manually from each and every device that you're currently watching. So first of all, when you're watching a show on Hulu in a web browser, you just want to make sure to click on the settings icon, which also looks like the gear icon, as you could clearly see over here. And once you click on the gear icon as well, choose the option called Subtitles and select the language that you want to use. And to turn off subtitles, choose the option called Off in the same menu if you want to. If you want to customize your captions first, then click Settings link in Subtitles menu, adjust the caption first, font, color, and other styles options to your preferences. But to turn it off, you have to do so manually by tapping the CC icon and then turning it off as well. That's all it takes to turn off subtitles on Hulu. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.